Hey guys, ever wondered how to make your YouTube videos stand out with the right keywords? Well, today we're diving into the world of YouTube SEO with VidIQ, exploring their keyword research tool and keyword inspector. Let's unlock the secrets to boosting your video's exposure and making it go viral. So, we've all heard of Clash of Clans, right? But what about those connected keywords and phrases? VidIQ's keyword research tool, accessible from the web application, has got you covered. Click on the SEO button under the Keyword Research tab, and it instantly reveals the magic behind YouTube tags. It lists related keywords, ranking them based on different scores. Whether it's search volume or number of words, vidIQ helps you find that sweet spot. Those hidden gems viewers are searching for, but video creators aren't catering to. The overall score is king here. Once you've found your gems, use the Copy Selected Keywords button to seamlessly transfer them to your video upload page. This feeds vidIQ with the info it needs to suggest even more keywords for your titles, descriptions, and tags. Top related queries, rising keywords, and successful YouTube videos using these keywords. It's all there for you to explore. You can even add a keyword to your video's tags with a simple click. So here you go, guys. With this powerful combination, you'll be on your way to boosting your video's visibility and engagement. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.